Then let's make fresh cowpeas with rice. Now this is one of the most common Ugandan food, and it's basically fresh cowpeas stew. Yes, so the first thing is you're gonna boil your fresh cowpeas in water. So when you boil it, you are gonna just get your pan, you add some cooking oil of your choice. You can use butter, you can use oil, and light your oven. So I'm using Kimbo to fry this, but however any sort of cooking oil or vegetable oil will just work perfectly fine. So you can add onions to your oil, mix and let it cook for just a few minutes. After that, you add your tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, mix it for a while, cover it and let it cook for also a few minutes. So you can also add some spices if you want. In my case, I'm using mild chili sauce. However, if you have black pepper and any other spices, you can add it at this point. Mix it well. After that, this is our cowpeas. This cowpeas, I boiled it already and it was stored in the freezer. So I'll just add it to the saucepan and mix it properly. I'll also add some paprika. Also, I'll add some roiko. Then I'll mix it all together until it is perfectly fine. Then I'll cover it. Now at this point, if you haven't added salt, you can also add some salt. I'll add some more water. Then I'll reduce the heat to low heat and just let it cook slowly. So on the other hand, let us start to prepare our rice. So I'm just gonna do a boiled rice. Yes, so I'll light and add my saucepan. Also, by the way, this is my first time filming with an action camera. Let me know what you think about the video. I'm still learning how to use it, So this is the first time testing it with a cooking video. Well, to the saucepan, add some little oil or butter and then get your glass of rice. So this is both of it just cooking side by side. So just added some rice and water and then just let both of them cook in low heat. As you can see, the rice is almost ready. So I'll add some greens just for just. And you can see our cowpeas is also ready. It's been cooking for at least 20 minutes on very low heat. Now you can see our cowpeas is ready and is ready to serve. Same applies to the rice. So at this point you can serve it and enjoy your lunch or dinner, and that is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.